Welcome, and here is my latest review. Today I'm going to look at a different Peppa pencil. This one is the newspaper pencil. As you see, there's my dog. Hello, dog. And him and me, we're going to review. So this is what it looks like. It is one pencil at a time from newspapers. Here's information at the back. And it says, newspaper pencils are made 100% from used newspapers. That's right, you might even find last month's news in there. So I sharpened up one of the newspaper pencils. And as you can see, it is newspaper all the way through. And this is what the newspaper shavings look like. So let's see how well does it work. I take a tree in this amazing forest, and I start to rub. As you can see, it works very, very well on paper. And the great thing about this newspaper pencil from peppa.co.co is that you have saved a tree to use it. If you're interested in other pencils and ecological products, please subscribe and I will tell you more about what I have found.